Are you wondering if you can refinance your home even if you don't have a lot of equity? Well, you're in the right place. Hey there. Today, we're going to talk about what equity is, why it matters when refinancing, and the options available if you don't have much of it. Let's dive in. First things first, what is home equity? Home equity is the part of your home that you actually own. It's the difference between how much your home is worth and how much you still owe on your mortgage. For example, if your home is worth $300,000 and you still owe $250,000, you have $50,000 in equity. That's about 17% equity in your home. Typically, lenders like Homeowners to have at least 20% equity when refinancing. But what if you have less than that? Don't worry, there are still options. Lenders use equity as a way to decide how risky it is to lend you money. The more equity you have, the less risky you seem. That's because if you ever needed to sell your home, you'd have a better chance of paying off your loan completely. If you don't have much equity, lenders might see you as a bigger risk. That could mean fewer loan options, higher interest rates, or needing to pay for mortgage insurance. But that doesn't mean refinancing is off the table. If you have low equity, or even no equity, there are still ways to refinance. Here are a few options that might work for you. If you have an FHA loan, you might qualify for an FHA Streamline refinance. This program makes it easier to refinance, even if you have little or no equity. Plus, it usually doesn't require an appraisal, which can save you time and money. If you're a veteran or active duty military and have a VA loan, the VA IRRRL program could be a great option. It allows you to refinance with little to no equity and with minimal paperwork. Some conventional loans backed by Freddie Mac or Fannie may offer refinancing programs for homeowners with low equity. These programs can help lower your rate or monthly payment, even if you don't meet the usual 20% equity rule. Some lenders offer special refinancing programs for homeowners with low equity. These can vary by lender, so it's always a good idea to shop around and ask about your options. Just because you can refinance doesn't always mean you should. Here are a few things to think about before making a decision. Will it lower your monthly payment? If refinancing will save you money each month, it might be worth it. Will you have to pay private mortgage insurance, PMI? If refinancing adds PMI to your payment, it could cancel out any savings. How long do you plan to stay in your home? If you plan to move soon, refinancing might not be worth the cost. Refinancing with low equity isn't always easy, but it is possible. The key is to explore your options, understand the costs, and choose what's best for your situation. If you're thinking about refinancing and aren't sure where to start, we're here to help. For more information, be sure to connect with us.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We are here to answer all your questions you may have about the mortgage process, whether you're purchasing or refinancing. You can reach us at 615-400-6764. That's 615-400-6764 via call or text. And also you'll have my email address down below. That's mhelton at OneTrust. That's ONETRUST, home, HOME, loans with an S.com. mhelton at OneTrustHomeLoans.com. Thanks again and have a great day. Talk to you soon.